Narinig mo si Daddy?
Oh, ito na yung hinihingi mo.
What's that? What's that? Ano yan? Uy, tumingin ka sa dinadang. What's that? Cheese and cookie. Wow. Wow, cheese.
Anong gusto mo?
Wow.
Cheese o cookies?
Anong
Ah.
gusto mo, babe? Cheese o cookies?
Cookies.
Open? Sabi mo kay Daddy. What will you say kay Dad? No, you say thank you. Thank you, Daddy.
Walang laman.
Parang wala naman laman
Walang
yan.
laman eh. Give mo si Mami. Mami first. Give mo na Mami first.
Thank you. Ay,
Oh, yun. Bite na.
mm.